Akụkọ mbe na nnụnụ final episode. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu n'akụkọ anyị. The feast was finally ready. The host smiled warmly and said, "Nri a bụ nke unu niile. This food is for all of you." Immediately, mbe jumped to his feet. With a wide smile, he shouted, "Obum, aha m bụ unu niile. That's me. My name is all of you." Before anyone could say a word, mbe rushed to the table. He ate the yam, the meat, the fruits, even the soups. He ate everything he could find. The birds looked at one another in shock. They realized, mbe had tricked them. They became very angry, but they said nothing. Instead, they waited patiently until the feast was over. When it was time to return home, one by one, each bird quickly collected the feather it had given Mbe. As the feathers disappeared, Mbe's wings became smaller and smaller until he had no wings left. Mbe cried out, "Biko, biko, unu ahapụkwana m. Please, please, don't leave me behind." But the birds flew away. Without the borrowed feathers, Mbe could no longer fly. He struggled, he flipped, then suddenly, he began to fall. Down, down, down through the sky. Bim! Mbe crashed into the forest below. His shell broke into many pieces. The birds felt sorry for him, so they carefully gathered the broken pieces and joined them back together. That is why, even today, a turtle's shell is covered with cracks. The moral of the story: greed and deceit never pays. Always be honest. Always appreciate those who help you, because selfishness may bring temporary success, but in the end, it always has consequences. Akụkọ anyị agwụla. Daalụnụ.